Another tidbit that I received or got from this book is all about the Puyat family. So the Puyat family started out in the furniture business during the late 19th century or early 20th century. You know, they made chairs, what do you call this? Sofa sets, no, tables, billiard tables actually. And then they ventured out into more businesses, no, as the 20th century progressed. One of their prominent scions was Hill Puyat, who became a senator. So if you go to Makati, there is a Hill M. Puyat Street. So that was named after the senator. They ventured into banking, other financial institutions like the Loyola Memorial Plan, right? Loyola Memorial Park. And then they also went into farming, agricultural products in businesses. I think the newer generation, the fourth generation, coming from Don Gonzalo Puyat, is now into ice cream business as well. I just forgot what the name of their ice cream is, but I know that they are into the ice cream business. Very small artisan ice cream business, but interested about Philippine furniture, architecture, even design, and history, of course, social, cultural history. You can get a copy of this, Salumpuet, Shares in Filipino Life, by Gerard Lico through his DocuLico page in Facebook, as well as in Shopee. Right? So enjoy reading, enjoy Philippine history. I'll see you on my next episode. Thank you. Bye.